beautiful people. How are you doing today? Hope you all are in best of your health and fantabulous as always, and as I always want you to be. So today I have a very interesting and highly inspiring story of Bharat Bhushan Tyagi. Yes, who this man is? He is a Padma Shri awardee from President of India and a progressive farmer awardee. I mean, from Prime Minister of India. Yeah. So this man has trained more than 80,000 farmers. Yes, my dear friends, he has trained more than 80,000 farmers and he has completed his graduation in maths, physics and chemistry. However, he is from farming background, but his father never wanted him to be a farmer. So life was quite challenging for him. He wanted to do something for farmers. So he has learnt agriculture, and what he thinks, even a farmer never wanted his son to be a farmer, right? So how agriculture will survive, right? So he has trained farmers in many new techniques, and he has trained many farmers who are doing very well in this profession. And I mean, he has received many national and has been recognized at many national and international platforms, right? So, and he is 67. Yes, and still going. Still he has dreamed to educate all the farmers. Isn't it inspiring and motivating? And they are doing such good thing for human race, right? And someone who has rejected all the jobs, who has rejected all the luxurious lifestyle, and they receive all these Padma Shri awards so late in the life, right? So don't you think and don't you feel, if someone starts doing at early, they should receive these awards at early age, like Anand Kumar, right? So they should get everyone should get motivated not to choose any profession which is not doing any good to human race, and not to focus the energy and money there. And we should focus the energy and money over these people who are doing such great things for human race, right? So yes, on that note, I wish all of you a very, very, very happy Father's Day, to all the lovely fathers, to all the lovely teachers who act like father also, right? And my wellness mantra today is, I have a very beautiful wellness mantra. It is to express yourself. Express yourself to your father, to your loved one, or whom you consider fatherly figure, when they are present with you, right? I mean, you have an opportunity to express to themselves. You just feel how relaxed you feel, right? And one more wellness mantra I have today. I will share two wellness mantras. One is to express your feelings, express yourself, whom you consider your father or fatherly figure. Second, you should have a goal in life, right? If I say I have a goal of becoming an engineer, I have a goal of becoming an MBA, it's not a goal, my dear friends. It is just a way to reach your goal, right? Is engineering resonating with engineering करके ना marketing कर रहे होते हैं, तो engineering क्यों की, right? There are few more examples which I can give here. कपड़े तो खरीद लेते लेकिन रखने की जगह नहीं होती, मैक्सिमम लड़कियों का प्रॉब्लम, राइट? और मैक्सिमम बॉयज़ और मेन का प्रॉब्लम, बड़ी बड़ी महंगी महंगी कार्स और महंगे महंगे बाइक्स ले लेने और रखने की जगह नहीं, राइट? ले लेते हैं, फिर उसकी टेंशन. ऐसा मैंने किसी से सुना था, जो चीज़ आपके दिमाग का पीस ऑफ माइंड ले रही है ना, उसको तोड़ दो, उसको फेंक दो, बेच दो, राइट? अब अगर सपोज किसी ने फरारी ले ली और एस्टन मार्टिन ले ली, राइट? और मे बी एनी हाई एंड कार विच इज़ नॉट सुटेबल फॉर आवर इंडियन रोड्स, कितना दिमाग को टेंशन रहेगा. ओ माय गॉड, ये कार मैं कहाँ चलाऊँ, कहाँ लेके जाऊँ, राइट? एंड समन हु इज़ फ्रॉम अ मिडिल क्लास फैमिली स्पेशली, क्योंकि कार्स और फोन्स डेप्रिशिएट होते हैं, हमें ये पता होना चाहिए, राइट? सो वी शुड नॉट स्पेंड मच ऑन दीज डेप्रिशिएटिंग आइटम्स. Whatever income we have, we should spend on these things only 1% of our income. तो एक समझदार इंसान के पास पहले जगह होगी, फिर वो कार लेके आएगा. पहले कबर्ड में जगह होगी, फिर वो कपड़े लेके आएगा, राइट? ऐसा नहीं कि फिर हम लड़ते जाएं, हमें यहाँ पे कपड़े रखने हैं घर में, वहाँ पे रखने हैं, राइट? तो हमें पर अपने चप्पल रखने, यहाँ पर जूते रखने जगह है नहीं, और हम वी आर होर्डिंग थिंग्स, right? So stop hoarding things, whichever taking your peace of mind. Nothing is more important than your peace of mind. Maybe it's worth $1 billion, right? Even I have done this with me. I have thrown everything whichever is costing my peace of mind. Right? So, and you will get a very good sleep and your half of the problems will get sorted. So yes, my dear friends, so these are 2 wellness mantras. Express yourself and never let these materialistic things take your peace of mind. So thank you so much for listening to me, and thank you so much for all your likes and subscribes. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.